Hi everyone, Happy New Year to everyone seeing this video. And matagal na akong din nakapag-post dito sa TikTok because I was busy during the holidays, busy reading and busy studying. So ginawa ko, I just finished a couple of my certification courses for generative AI, and at the same time tinapos ko rin yung lead generation AI agent na ginagawa ko. And it's just ginawa ko rin siya nilaunch ko rin siya a few days ago. So, and then magiging more active siya siguro by January. So, yan. And then at the same time, been reading a lot, researching a lot, and then preparing also for 2025. So, exciting kasi in 2025, it's gonna be the tinatawag nilang agentic era. And so, like for example, Google, if you've been monitoring what Google has been doing and OpenAI has been doing, ang daming updates, no? And then there's another new tool pala ako na-discover, which I'm experimenting on, which is called DeepSeek V3. Ano siya? Parang substitute ko siya for OpenAI tsaka Claude. And kasi nga it's free, pwede mo siya gamitin at saka malaki yung tokens niya. And then the other one is may API siya, so pwede mo siya i-connect sa mga AI agents mo so it can run. So similar to OpenAI, may developer platform rin sila. So currently yung benchmark niya is bit higher than the usual for OpenAI or Claude for any other LLMs, no? So ngayon paganda yung mga AI models natin or yung mga generative AI models natin ngayon. So like Gemini is doing so well. DeepSeek is also doing so well. So anyway, I just wanted to share that and just want to come up with a quick short video because I haven't posted any video for the past 2 weeks, and I appreciate all the love. Kahit na konti pa lang followers, but I really want to make this consistent this starting 2025 as part of my AI goals for 2025 to create more content for Pinoys about AI. So see you guys.